guys, welcome back to another UNN video. Today we are going to be showing you this really cool video that Space Avionics made. It is a video that shows the launches that they did in the past before Space Avionics was public. Space Avionics wasn't public from 2012 to 2018. In 2019, they created their YouTube channel, so they were public. And yeah, these are some of the videos that they took of those private launches. And yeah, they didn't take videos of all the launches. They did take videos of more launches, but we just couldn't find all the footage. This is all the footage we could find of their past launches. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it landed!
Yeah, it landed good.
It landed safely.
Okay, ready?
Here you go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's bombs!
Okay, now we're gonna do a really high one.
Super high one.
Are you really high one?
Let's do it.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
That is
My
high.
tummy break. Wow. That was awesome. Down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Good.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It is going to be on Space Avionics YouTube channel, so make sure to go to Space Avionics and subscribe to it. And next thing is just one more thing. We're not going to be showing you any videos. I just want to tell you something. Is that tomorrow we are probably going to be doing an interview with my friend Jackson. He has a YouTube channel called JacksonDie44. And you should go sub to him. And his second channel is called Jackson Die. He is gonna be doing a vlog. He's going on a trip, and he's gonna be doing a vlog. So yeah, you can see it on his channel. But when he is traveling to on his trip, we are going to be doing an interview with him. So hope you guys enjoyed that. It will be coming out tomorrow. And hope you guys enjoyed this UNN video. See you tomorrow.